Comment ça va?
Salut, ça va et toi?
Comme ci, comme ça.
Oh, why is that?
Oh my god. I've been sleeping so bad.
What happened?
Anyway, as usual, I think I'm going to be single forever.
No way.
I'm heartbroken again.
Tell me.
So Ellie,
Yeah.
can you help me with my retirement?
Of course. What do you need?
What do I need? You know already that I do have invested in property. So I have
Sure, that's good.
I have some rental income, passive income.
Mm-hmm.
I have also invested with a friend in some company, and I do get some share, some dividend, but it's not stable, right?
Okay.
I want something more more stable.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, when I'm 65.
All right.
And I've been working in Hong Kong for 10 years already. So I know that my MPF contribution is the maximum, the 3,000 per month. So I've worked 10 years, and then I want to retire at age 65. Now I'm 40. So that's like 35 years of MPF contribution. So I look forward for that when I get it at 65. So I have all this investment, but I feel like maybe not enough, and I still have
Okay.
some spare money. So
So
can
what
you
would
help?
be enough? Do you have a target in mind?
I just want a simple life when I'm older.
Okay. How much does that cost?
A simple life. I already paid off my apartment, so I don't need to rent, right? And I feel that I'm going to be single with 3 cats and 2 dogs.
Okay.
Okay. If I don't become single, then it's better. But if I'm single, I want to get at least 15,000. Additional 15,000.
Additional things inside.
Additional 15,000.
Okay. So when you say 15,000, I'm assuming you're speaking in today's terms, which
Yes.
means 15,000 today. But we are planning for you to get that amount of money in 25 years.
Oh yeah. Because if we say after 20 years, the 15,000 won't have the same value as now. So how much
Yeah.
do I need?
Do you know why?
I just know the money shrink, but I don't know why.
It's because of inflation,
Yeah, it's inflation. It is inflation. Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay. So inflation depreciates your money, like you said. So the statistics we have in Hong Kong tells us that on average it's 4% a year. So 4% is the rate at which your cash depreciates here in Hong Kong. So say you want to have 15,000 today. Well, that's easy. You just get 15,000. It's worth 15,000. You can buy whatever 15,000 can afford today. But if you want it in 25 years, when you retire, you're gonna need much more money in nominal terms. So instead of 15,000, we're gonna use this formula: 15,000 times 1 plus 4% to the power of 25. So what we're doing here, we're applying a 4% rate of inflation for every year in the future, and that gives us 40,000 Hong Kong dollars.
So 15,000 after 25 years is actually 40,000.
Yes. What it means is to have the same standard of living that 15,000 can afford today, we need 40,000 in 25 years.
Okay, I got it.
So investing is paramount, because if you don't, then in 25 years you only have 15,000,
Understand.
and you can only afford like less than half of what you could afford today.
Understand, yeah. So how much must I invest in order to come up with that money now?
Well, it all depends on how much you think you need. If you need 15,000 for, say, you're 40, you want to retire when you're 65, so you have a 25 years investment horizon, and then the average women life expectancy is 85, so give or take 20 years.
Oh, well,
in
my
retirement.
grandmother is 90.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
amazing.
But yeah, let's count 85.
Let's do it.
Because I'm always heartbroken. Maybe I'll have a shorter life.
Oh, come on. Okay, so let's say you have 20 years of retirement to enjoy.
Yes.
Well, then you need 15,000 times 12 per year times 20 years of retirement.
Yes.
And we will need to compound that with the rate of inflation to see how much that is in tomorrow's money.
Okay.
And once we have this, we can determine what kind of investment plan is best for you.
Okay. Okay.
All right?
Yep. So Ellie, can you just write in this piece of paper, very simple, how much do I have to invest the next 10 years, as you said, in order to get 15,000 for future?